There you got him.
And I think I got myself. I don't know.
I was gonna say this pole moved too.
I thought it was just swimming at it.
Need the wood?
No.
He just looks big because of
The other ones were so small.
Oh yeah, he's done. He's bending a little bit more.
I don't know. Dang it, I thought the same thing.
Bigger one. Oh, this one might be a little bigger. Bigger than my 10 inchers. Bigger than 8 inches. Sheesh. He came.
Oh, this feels like a tank. Getting into your size now.
Played with you for a while, huh? Guess there's not much difference.
Oh. Please be better.
Possibilities.
Another little guy.
Oh yeah, might be another 8-incher.
And dang it. Felt bigger at first. Felt bigger at first.
You're gonna have some editing to do.
Yeah, they're.
Huh?
Yeah, I do every time. Some of them just, the videos won't turn out that well, so I just leave them on.
This one feels a little bigger.
There we go. Don't even need to measure that.
Get him on camera.
I did, I never even stopped recording. Oh.
He was
Oh no, no.
We're just